Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a flower dip. This is the dip that you pour your paints mixed with pouring medium on your surface, dip your canvas in and lift. If you lift it right up, your pattern will be in the middle. If you lift it like that, it will be different. So yeah. And for the colors I have two greens, I believe, yellowish green and the green earth. I have 24K gold, extreme sheen garnet, Amsterdam carmine and cadmium red, and my pearl white. So yeah. So first of all I will pour some black here for my base, and lately I'm doing those shorts, you know, because some people like shorts, like to just see what you are doing, not necessarily learning. So that's why I'm doing some shorts lately too. And when I watch those flower dips from 6, 7, 5 years ago, it's a long time. I had to think about how long I'm doing this, yeah. And I realized that I really enjoyed them, so I will probably play with flowers a little more again, because this was my thing, is my thing for a long time, like flowers. So yeah, my base is done, and I will add just a little bit on my canvas too, just to wet it down and have a just wet canvas to dip then into that pattern. So yeah. You know, just to wet it down. And I have some craft canvas that was made for kids for painting, so yeah, it has something on it, but it doesn't matter. Okie doke. So first I want to go with a little bit of green, just kind of in a circle around, I believe. That, and a bright green. Oop. Doesn't want to come out. And I will drizzle a little bit of pearl white there too. And I will start with pearl white here where the reds will be too, so to create some effects or something, we will see. And then I will add some carmine red. And some garnet. I love this color. And some cadmium red. Okay, I think I'm done. And now I will dip my canvas into this. Press it down. Press the air out from underneath the canvas. And now I will try to lift it straight up and we will see what will happen. It's not straight up, but it's still a beautiful flower. Have to turn it towards me. It's a little bit too square for my taste. Maybe because of the green part. But I like it, so I just want to correct this part a little bit to make it more maybe. Kind of want this to be a center. I love the colors a lot. So let me show you the close-up. This is the first one that it's kind of roundish, but I still like it. Not roundish, squarish. See the little weird shape of the petals. I wish that I would have a little more petals there and it would be okay. This is the second one. that I didn't know if I like it, but I do, so I will leave it to dry. It's more not as defined, but see that garnet creating some lacing and cells, and a little bit from pearl white. Just love that. And the third one that at the end I lift straight up and to the side, and I like it too. I will not be able to show you the dried results because I'm painting this today. Yeah, so I'm probably, the first one is my favorite, but too squarish. But otherwise the colors and the gradients and everything, and the little pearl white effects on the sides. Yeah. So this was it for today. 3 flower dips. I think that I will try to use those colors again on the white background and see what will happen then. Yeah, thanks for being here. Have a nice Monday and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!